lunch burger review. There it is. Turned out beautiful. Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks Here Pizza. This video is going to be a quick lunch. It's going to be a burger review. This company right here, I always see them at my local grocery store, Smith's. Pack of 4 beef patties, $10.99. This was on sale for $8, so $2 a patty. Yeah, I'll give them a shot for that price. Let's go make lunch. I'm gonna hit that with some Duke's mayonnaise, and we're gonna do brioche buns. So it's gonna be delicious. Let's make a burger. This is before we open the box. There's 4 patties in there. We're smoking. Smoking. Alright, I'm pretty happy with how my burger looks. I'm going to move it from the grill to the patty. If I can do it. There it is. Alright, got it. Here we go, guys. This is lunch. It looks amazing. It looks really good. Very impressed. Alright, I was gonna let it sit out a few extra minutes, but I'm starving. I can't do it. This is what it looks like. And move this camera a little closer. I gotta eat, man. I'm starving. I can't take it anymore. Beautifully cooked. Really good. Good meat. Tastes great. Really, really good. $2 a patty. All this cost you another $1. $3 to make this amazing burger. You can't beat it. $100 times better, 100 times healthier than anything you're gonna buy. And you're gonna save money. Really good. All right, guys. 5 out of 5. Make yourself a burger like this. Enjoy lunch. Thank you. See you in the next one.